Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. I'm Taha, and today we're diving into a topic that gets everyone excited: getting rich through startups. Here's how. Startups have created some of the world's wealthiest people. And while it's not an overnight process, there are proven steps to build a successful business and create wealth. In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through actionable strategies to maximize your startup's potential and grow your financial success. Let's get started. 1. Find the sweet spot. The first step to getting rich through startups is finding the sweet spot. This is where your passion, skills, and market demand overlap. Ask yourself, what problems can I solve? What are people willing to pay for? For example, if you're a tech enthusiast, you could build an app that simplifies a complex task. If you love fashion, consider launching a brand that fills a unique niche, like eco-friendly or size-inclusive clothing. The key is identifying a gap in the market and creating a solution people can't resist. 2. Think big, start small. Next, think big, but start small. Many entrepreneurs fail because they try to do too much at once. Instead, launch with a minimum viable product, MVP, a basic version of your idea that solves the core problem. Take Dropbox as an example. Their MVP was a simple video explaining how their product worked. That video attracted early adopters and investors before they even built the full platform. Starting small lets you test your idea, get feedback, and improve while keeping costs low. 3. Scale strategically. The third step is scaling strategically. Once you have a product market fit, focus on growing your business without losing quality. Invest in automation, hire the right people, and build partnerships to expand your reach. At the same time, keep an eye on your finances. Don't overspend on unnecessary features or flashy offices. Platforms like Stripe, Zapier, and HubSpot can help you streamline operations and scale efficiently. 4. Build passive income streams. Another secret to startup wealth: build passive income streams. Look for ways to generate revenue even when you're not actively working. For example, offer subscription-based services. Create digital products that sell on autopilot. License your technology to other businesses. These income streams create financial stability, allowing you to focus on innovation and growth. To recap, here's how to get rich through startups. 1. Find the sweet spot between passion, skills, and market demand. 2. Think big but start small with an MVP. 3. Scale strategically to maximize growth. 4. Build passive income streams for financial stability. Remember, success in startups requires patience, persistence, and smart decision-making. If you're ready to take the leap, don't wait. Start today. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Startup Sparks, and comment below with your startup idea. Let's turn your dreams into reality.